Hi everybody, I've just been working on getting my van ready to travel. I have been using a lot of magnets in here and they're fantastic because there's a lot of metal in here. So I'll show you around, and today I got some baskets for the shelf that I put in here, and the baskets are really good for storage. I got them at the dollar store, and when I'm traveling I use bungee cord, which you will see, to hold everything in place, and it's been working really well. And on the wall you will see also that there's spice cabinets that have magnets on the back of them. I got them at Canadian Tire. And then the holders for a lot of things actually were from my daughter's school when she was in school, and I put all kinds of things in there, pencils and glasses, and it's really good. It's been working out really well. There are in the back there these spice containers that magnet to the side of the van. Very handy. And in this case right here is a stove, a one-burner stove that is gas or propane, which I really like. I ordered it online. These are the baskets that I got from the dollar store to organize some things, and it's working out well. And on the bottom, okay, that's not quite the bottom there, but there's more storage. But on the very bottom, I'm going to try to locate some other baskets that fit. I want to be able to pull them out also. So I'm not sure about that. I might get one that pulls out from here that way. So I think that'll be actually a better idea than trying to pull it out from here towards the bed, because there's not much room there. But it is getting very organized. As you can see, these anchors which twist to tighten or twist this way to loosen, I hooked it on the back of the shelf here, and I bought some little S hooks, hooked it right into the existing holes in this cargo van. And I have gotten this, like I think I mentioned, but sometimes it's hard to know where people get things. This came from Home Depot, and you can add as many shelves as you like. I put this one at a level, put my cutting board here. I'm going to make a nice board. I'll have a video down the road what I'm going to do for that. So I have like a little countertop. I'm going to put it on the whole level. And I've also secured it at the back. I'm going to get, I think I'm going to get another one of these little anchors so that I can also secure it near the very, very top. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's holes in this cargo van all over the place, so it's easy to anchor it. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, and have a fantastic blessed day. This afternoon I'm parked at this beautiful quiet park enjoying a really nice day. It looks like it's gonna, I was gonna say snow. It looks like it's gonna rain, and that would be great because I love the rain. But it's just beautiful out here. As you can see, I want to show you the shelf I put in my van because I believe this was a good fit for me. I have a small van, but the shelving I can adjust. I got the shelf from Home Depot, and you can adjust them, as you can see, anywhere that you want to put it. So it's really handy, and there's these little plastic kind of bracket things that go inside, and you can put it, clip it to any level. And then I secured it with these anchor. I'll put a picture of what they really are so that if you're interested in using this, like I did, then you'll know exactly what to get. And I've anchored, like I said, to the side of the van, so when I'm moving, this thing is very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And to put the shelves over the wheel wells has been really handy, and hopefully that helps you.